This is the final of the 3-day Fall Leaves Us Happy collab with Linda at Mature Sass, and I am so happy to have been a part of it. Thank you so much, Linda. Hey NailTubers, what is up, Nailification Squad? And if you're new or visiting from Linda's channel, I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Oh, I messed up. Oh, I messed up.
So I thought that would be good to start out with. And as you watch me lay the clear, which is typically done to keep the nail bed from staining, because guys, I mixed this color myself and I'm so proud. Not that it's my first time, but it's just the idea of how it turned out. The color is so perfect. And also it looks so good on Kiko, which by the way, I'm trying lately to remember to introduce my practice hand, Kiko. So as we go through this set, I need to explain that today's post is relatively late for what I typically do, and there's a reason for it. I decided some changes at the last minute from what I originally created, and then I started having editing problems, as I've mentioned in so many videos. But here, let me show you what I did. And I thought I was going to town, guys. I was working it. I thought it came out nice. However, something just kept bothering me about that set. And it's not finished because I actually stopped there. I felt like it wasn't continuing the theme with what I was already doing. So for that reason, there was a last minute decision for me to change out and follow what I was already doing, because that would only make sense, right? So yeah, guys, I mixed this powder and I'm loving the way that it's going on. I am loving the color. And if you like it, a good way for me to know that is by you hitting that like button. So yeah, guys, and as you can see, portions of this is really sped up because I wanted to get to a portion where I apply the design, because there was a little trouble there, and I offered what I felt was a solution. And you know something, as quickly as this was done, I really had fun and enjoyed doing this set. Oh, and there's a part right here. The only trouble that I ran into the mixture that I did was this small lump, and that was the only thing. I'd say that isn't too bad. So as this is being capped with a clear layer, remember, Linda at Mature Sass. I'll have her information in my description box as well. She does mature fashion, vlogging. She takes us on shopping trips with her. Oh, she's been doing like a special on Mondays called Masked. I was getting ready to say Masked Finger. Masked Monday, where she does different types of masks and makes recommendations for it. So cool. And she chats with us while she's doing it. And also, she's been quite the nail enthusiast as well, so check her out and remember to subscribe to both of our channels if you're enjoying this. And here's just a few moments to take in the beautiful succulence of this color. And here's the look after shaping and filing and also some buffing. However, there's still a good number of visibly large scratches. So what I suggest here is to take some base coat, and base coat can be used almost like a ridge filler. It'll fill in those scratches and it will coat the nail again and bring it to a smoother surface. And also I'm doing it because I'll be using it for the nail decoration. So guys, remember these stickers? I used one of them back in February when I did the McCart Hooked on Love nail set, the pink ones with the roses. And I thought about these and I was like, there's gotta be, because they're gold, I just think gold looks so nice with these type of colors. And I found this one. I thought this one would look really nice. It has like the swirls in it. It's got that filigree type look and it has the swirls that kind of look like leaves. So I thought that I would give these stickers a try. The one problem that I did run into is I believe that while stored, some of the things that we have has a tendency to, what do you want to call it, aerate, or what is the word that I'm looking for? Oxidize. And so the sticker seemed kind of dry and stiff and wouldn't lay flat on the surface. So what I did was, and in hindsight, I could have done this before curing, because that first layer of base coat that I just applied, I did cure it. And then use the base coat, because remember I've said that base coat can be used to adhere bling, so why not this? What I did was I created a curvature by bending it a little bit and then using the base coat. And the first one came out okay, but then I thought of something else. I put it on and then I manipulated it while it was in the lamp. Those first 10 seconds are very important. You can move it around while it's in the lamp. So I played with it and held it down while it was in the lamp, and it actually turned out pretty good. Now I don't know if this is a total solution, but it at least worked. So I think I'm going to get into this and try it some more times eventually, and then I'll be able to say that, hey, you know what, you can do it this way. How do you think they turned out? Because I think it worked relatively well. I just want to try it a few more times just to be certain. I felt this time this set should have glossy, no wipe top coat. And look at how they turn out, guys. You know something? They just make me think about that street that I drive down all the more. I love them. And if you enjoyed this, remember there's 2 other videos in this collab, and you can check those out right here. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.